be good. This stuff will thicken fast.
Here I come.
So while you stir it, or you can stir that one, whichever one you want to stir, just stir it. All that one just needs a stirring just a little bit. This is constant stir.
Okay.
I can shake my booty.
Oh my word.
Shake, shake, shake.
Now you're blocking the camera.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
Don't. You start behaving, little girl.
Oh, it's starting to thicken. I feel it thickening up.
Let me feel that.
Feel it thickening?
Barely.
It's going. It'll start curdling.
I think you're exaggerating. Here, let me see if you're blocking the camera. You stay right there. Let me see. Yeah, you're like right in the way of everything. Here, I'm going to move it over in the middle. All right. There you go.
Oh, would you, Marty? Who cares?
So I'm stirring this to keep it from sticking.
Well, I just told you to stir it a little bit. That's all.
Oh, okay.
It's thickening. It's got to cool off because the pizza's soft.
It smells really good.
Yep. Matthew thinks I'm exaggerating. I think I'm not. I feel the curve.
I think we're having like the most relaxed pizza creation recipe show in the history of mankind.
How many more minutes? I was waiting to see how long you're at this.
So you got 4 minutes until the bread rises.
No. The bread.
Hey, I found a leaf.
The bread may not be rised yet. It may be a to be continued.
To be continued. Oh yeah, we'll have to splice the video.
Yeah, well, yeah. We can go ahead and put this one.
If you
on.
like pizza, like the video.
That's right.
If anybody's still here, I'm sure they are. Actually, if you want a phenomenal pizza, you're not going to regret a second that you've watched this. Not once you've made it and you tried it yourself.
It's going to be a to be continued, and then once
To be continued.
Well, yeah, because
okay,
that's going to no. We'll just go ahead and do the whole. They can have this video, and then whenever we get the dough finishes rising,
we'll just put on that.
We'll make the
part 2.
We'll do part 2.
All right. Are you ready for me to pause it out?
No. I think they might want to see the
cheese.
The cheese part.
We're
almost done. I could actually turn it up just a tag. Is this starting to do?
Wait a minute. Oh, the bread's going to take what? 30 minutes? 40 minutes longer?
The bread could take a little longer because it has to be. That's why I've got the heat going.
All right.
Trying to get it heated up so it will, but it.
Yeah, I thought you were just going to cut and paste it. That's probably a good idea, though, because if you don't cut and paste, you're already about an hour right now.
Like cut and pasting.
I don't even know. I think the video is like 30, 40 minutes. 51 minutes on the first part of this pizza
video. That's okay. It'll be a to be continued.
Well, there you go.
And it won't take as long. That part 2 won't be as long.
Part 2 will definitely not be as long.
Because the cheese is starting to do its thing, see?
The mozzarella is setting up.
It's doing that thing it does.
The tapioca flour is doing its thing.
Tapioca doing its thing. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. It does that thing it does. We've done this earlier, but we's out trying to.
Okay, let's ask Google something. Hey Google,
some pictures.
What is tapioca flour?
According to Wikipedia, tapioca is a starch extracted from the storage roots of the cassava plant, a species native to the north and northeast regions of Brazil, but whose use is now spread throughout South America. It is a perennial shrub adapted to the hot conditions of tropical lowlands. Cassava copes better with poor soils than many other food plants.
Hey, put the lid back on the sauce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, here, look, it's starting to.
Oh, boy.
So it's thickening.
You know what? I'm going to go ahead and get a closer up shot.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, Marley, who's laying on the
We'll
floor.
check out that bread here in just a few seconds and see what it's doing.
Okay, sounds
We
good.
can kind of look at it and see what it's doing.
There we go. That's the angle I think we want.
Let me shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake my booty. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not
We're
shaking
actually
I'm not
only
shaking
on
my
the
booty.
cheese right now.
I'm not shaking.
We cannot see you wiggling
Good,
around.
that's good. Because
There you
if
go.
you see something I don't want it shaking.
Oh my word. What are you thinking,
My
Marley?
booty don't shake that much.
Oh my word.
Don't have much of a booty back there to shake.
You know what? You're grounded. You keep talking like that. I swear. What do you say, Marley?
Look, look. It's a thickening. It's a thickening. Let's check that out. Holy smokes, the crust is rising.
Is it?
Yes. It's looking beautiful.
Well, why did you cover it up so fast? I don't think I was able to see.
Because I can't mess with the cheese. If you want to do it, pull it out. Look, because I'm having to stay with the cheese. Me and the cheese is becoming best friends right
You
now.
and the cheese are becoming best friends.
See?
Ah.
Me and the cheese is becoming one.
As the cheese is finishing up, which actually there's going to be a really cool part that's going to happen here in a moment. But if you love cheese, if you love plant-based, like the video. If you like cheese, like the video. If you're a human being, like the video. If you love your mother, like the video.
Well, some people don't like their mother though.
Yeah, well, they might like plant-based.
But I love my mother, so.
Well, there you go.
And I love your mother. I love my mother, I love your mother. You might have somebody you think of as a mother that's not really your mother, but they're like your mother. You wish they was your mother. Like the video. So, check it out, check it out. Check it out.
Oh my goodness, here.
It's going.
Let me.
It's going.
Good golly.
Judy. Judy.
I mean,
You want to check the crust?
oh wow. Look at that.
Well, now you see why we got it hot in here. It's good and hot in here. Actually, we could probably almost do a pizza.
You serious?
I think we could. That right there's like double. Because we got it hot enough in here.
I'll do it. Do you need me to move some of these? Oh my word.
What?
I need to do dishes.
Well,
Where can we roll it out on?
well,
Ideally.
right now,
Yeah.
I got to like literally,
Okay, so do you want to make that part of part 2? Or no?
I mean, we could probably go in and do it all the way.
I say we do a part 2.
It's up to you. It's completely up to you.
Let's do a part 2.
Okay, because I'm fixing to do the,
You're fixing to do the cheese right now. Okay.
I have to get the bowl over here, so this has got to move. This that can go right there. All right. You want to move the camera? Give me the bowl.
Yep. Alright. So, where would you like the bowl with the ice?
It can go, we'll set it right here.
In the back? Is it
Let me
warm?
wipe that off. Well, we've
Okay.
been doing spaghetti sauce.
Oh, it's not too hot there?
Well, there shouldn't be nothing hot there.
Oh, okay. I was just asking, I don't know. I see you only have the small burner there.
I don't even need the small burner on. I'm glad I noticed it.
And the burner on the right isn't hot?
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, I hope not.
Okay, there's nothing hot there.
Well, it's just a little
So
warm,
right here
but-
is good. Alright.
Alright, I need
Cool.
my spoon. I need my ice cream scooper.
The mozzarella cheese has become thick.
Scooper duper.
Darlene, okay, you're getting your ice cream scooper.
No,
Okay. All of that is a bowl of water with ice cubes. So we got cold water. Okay, so the reason why you dabbed your spoon in there first, that's so that the cheese won't stick to it?
that's so the cheese won't stick as bad.
Okay.
The first one will kind of stick a little bit, but see?
How do you know the mozzarella cheese was thick enough? I mean, yeah.
Well, it's stretchy and
Because I know you've made it a couple times. Is there
Well, yeah, it
anything you're
says
looking
it's supposed
for?
to turn into a ball, but it don't really turn into
I'm
a
going
ball.
to zoom in on your creation there. Here we go.
It don't really. It probably would turn into a ball if you let it cool off, but it's not going to turn into a ball unless you let the cheese cool off some because it's stretchy. So look, it releases on its own.
Wow. The first time I saw it, I thought it was just so amazing. More amazing, I thought it was amazing how it tasted. And I know putting that Celtic salt in there, which we didn't do the first time, but we've done since, just changes the whole game. Game changer.
Well,
amazingly enough, the mozzarella cheese.
the mozzarella cheese recipe that one that has this in it, this little idea, did not add garlic, but I had another one in it. And we liked it a little better having the garlic flavor because it doesn't really have a garlic flavor. It just gives it more of that mozzarella zing. You know.
Kind of like with the, because you did use lemon juice, but this time you used apple cider vinegar with the mother.
Well, lemon juice actually kind of weakens it. It's not, you have to use more lemon juice because lemon juice is weaker.
What was it, 7 tablespoons of lemon juice?
7 tablespoons of lemon juice if you're going to do lemons instead of.
And the apple cider vinegar was 3? Okay. Interesting. Well, since I ate all the mozzarella cheese from earlier and you didn't know it.
You're crazy. I'm married to a crazy man. Will be married to a crazy man.
Oh my word.
It's okay, I can handle him being crazy. I think that's why I'm marrying him. Jerry.
Yeah, I heard you.
He's
I really am proud of you.
Crazy in a good way.
I really am proud of you though for coming off your thyroid stuff. You know. But I'm listening to you, and you think I'm crazy in my own way, huh?
You're crazy in a good way. That's what I said. Not in your own way, but in a good way.
Yeah, well, I know a lot of people would just say I'm annoying. You know that's right.
I'm talking about you're funny. You're not so serious. You're not a stick in the mud.
Right. Well, I'm glad.
Yeah.
You know, I do remember when I was serious stick in the mud.
Was you?
Oh, yeah.
Always?
Huh?
Was you? Oh.
No, I wasn't sticking in the mud. I took life real seriously. And mind you should take life seriously.
You do, but I don't think I could have handled you.
Well, do you need me to take some of that water off of there?
Yeah.
Okay.
What
do you want me to do? Just stick a cup in here?
Yeah, just get like a measuring cup or something.
Here,
there.
I'll get one that has.
Because we're going to have an overflow.
We have like so many measuring cups, it's crazy.
It makes so much, yeah, but that's the best part about it.
Let me go ahead and.
I'm going to do it again because I want to.
Yeah, we got to carry that. That's going to be like emptied out big time.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's got to go in the refrigerator for a few minutes or so, and that's the reason why I said that. Go ahead and get it again.
Okay.
Just don't take my eyes.
I know, right? Don't take my baby.
Don't take my eyes. Hold on a minute.
All right.
Wow, I think I'm making more this time.
Yeah. You're going to want to put it over there to the left.
Oh, I know. That's why I was eating on some of it earlier.
Are you serious? You ate some of the cheese in there?
Well, we both did. We put it on.
I don't remember eating cheese. I don't want to take too much.
He's lying.
You are like so zoomed in on the cheese.
That's what I said. He's lying. He had some cheese on a cracker.
Huh?
On a plant-based cracker.
There, they might be able to get some of your facial expressions now.
I don't think
But they're still on the cheese.
I don't think I had a facial expression.
Oh, you did.
I had my voice.
Ah,
My voice.
You had an expression.
Well, my voice said he was lying. Because you had cheese.
For anybody tuning in, do want to let you know we're doing broccoli sprouts. Check it out. Still, yesterday we started some. Today we're going to do the second feed. They're so cool. Just to show you real quick.
Last scoop.
Fun. Major healthy, folks. Make some broccoli sprouts.
I think this scoop's going to make it in my mouth on a cracker.
Or...
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Do you want a cracker?
Yeah, give me a big one. Give me a plant-based cracker. You want one too?
Yeah, I mean, who would say no? I mean, come on. Tell everybody how it tastes. Wait a minute, hold on. Wait. I want you to position yourself so they can see you taste it, actually. Okay, I want you to bend forward a little. Wait a minute, hold on.
Are you crazy?
Hold on.
Listen now, I ain't doing no...
Okay. All right,
dirty
now look towards the
video.
camera.
Hold on, I believe in not leaving.
What does it taste like? It's just like mozzarella cheese.
And cracker.
And cracker.
Right now, I stick that in the refrigerator.
Okay. All right. We're going to be right back with part 2.